Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create a smooth zoom blur transition in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Effects, then search for Adjustment Clip. Then move the timeline slider to the center of the transition. Hold Shift plus left arrow to move back the frames. Then hold Shift plus right arrow to move forward to 10 frames. So, in order for dot to cut for a smooth transition. Then click on Fusion, then press the Ctrl plus space and search for Transform XF. Then click Add. Then, move the red timeline slider to the start of the adjustment clip. Then go to Inspector and click the keyframe button next to Size. Find the last frame of the first clip, then change the size to 2.5. Then move one frame ahead, change the size to 0.25. Then move the last frame of the transition and change it to 1.0. Now expand the edges. Select the mirror to prevent the black borders. Go to Settings and enable the motion blur. Then open the splines and check the transform. Click Zoom to fit and select all the keyframes and then right-click, then choose Float. The smooth zoom blur transition is done. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.